Good boy. Good boy. Gotta get away from that pole. Ooh, he ran into the branch. Come on. Come on. Nah, come on. Oh! Whoops! He overran it. It's there. Got it. Up. Come on. Up here. Come on. Come on, Joey. He's starting to lag.
Yeah, he's wore out.
You want to do it now?
Can you hold it? You do it. Can you hold it? Can you hold my hand? Teach me how to do it.
Oh, you don't know how to do it?
No.
All right, you got to drop the ball. Put this hand out of the way. Drop the ball.
I'm gonna do it by myself.
You want to do it by yourself?
Yeah.
Okay. This should be funny.
Aiden, don't hit on the ground too much, baby.
Okay.
Your daddy still goes to the clinic.
Now going over the end, Mama.
Maybe you do better with the bat.
Yeah.
Don't hit it on the ground. Your mommy said don't hit it on the ground.
Look
All
out.
right, come here.
Heads up.
Where'd it go?
Right there.